Now there's a water heater intelligent enough to tell you before there's a problem. Eliminate emergencies and downtime with built-in smart monitoring technology, the only integrated leak detection and prevention system in the market, and a factory-installed auto shutoff valve. Triton comes with a suite of built-in premium performance features, including Rheem's EcoNet smart monitoring technology with systematic health monitoring, performance updates, and alerts via mobile device and full-color LCD display. It offers ongoing self-monitoring of the unit's most vital components, such as tank life and the combustion system. The unit's health status can be monitored via the full-color LCD display or via mobile device. The EcoNet system can send mobile notifications to owners and their plumbers as the unit requires preventative maintenance, which enables contractors to establish ongoing service contracts and provide consistent maintenance that extends the life of the tank. Also, BACnet MSTP is built in to ensure seamless integration with BMS building management systems. Rheem's built-in patent-pending LeakSense is the most accurate leak detection system in the market. LeakSense catches leaks as small as a grain of sand and provides real-time leak notification. Rheem's factory-installed Leak Guard offers the only all-inclusive leak detection and prevention system in the market and includes an auto shutoff valve. The auto shutoff valve is factory-installed to ensure correct alignment and accuracy. It's activated once a leak is detected. The leak sensor is located in the bottom pan, allowing gravity to do the rest. As water collects in the bottom pan, it trips the sensor. Rheem designed the system so that it won't detect water from the top, which prevents false positive signals from condensation or cleaning. To set up, simply enter operational hours. If a leak is detected during business, the user will get an alert via the control panel and mobile app. During off hours, Triton will automatically turn off the water. Leak Guard contains leaks so that no more than 24 ounces of water escapes the tank. The auto shutoff valve can easily be opened via the mobile app or the control panel to allow operation until a replacement can be installed. Finally, a top-quality commercial water heater intelligent enough to detect and prevent problems before they occur.
Here's a look at how the Rheem Triton high-efficiency commercial gas water heater works. The combustion system is built to last with a triple-pass heat exchanger constructed of the highest ASME grade steel. By minimizing erosion and the likelihood of a premature failure, it extends the life of the water heater. In fact, this is another reason Triton lasts longer than the industry standard. The negative premix combustion assembly is located at the top pan, which efficiently mixes gas and oxygen to provide maximum thermal heat transfer in the heat exchanger. The majority, 80% of the heat transfer occurs in the first pass of the heat exchange. Then the flue gases transition to the secondary tubes. At this point, the system becomes more efficient, 15% more. Finally, the flue gases transition to the third pass, at which time flue gases transfer enough heat to the water that they start to condense. Flue gases exhaust through the venting system. The condensation moves through the Rheem exclusive condensate neutralizer in the exhaust tee and are sent safely down the drain. And because the neutralizer is built in, it simplifies and speeds up installation. This top-fire combustion system also allows for maximum serviceability by providing easy access to individual components on the system. Triton also features multiple connection points with 5 outlets, one 1.5 inch on top, as well as 2 2-inch outlets front and back. And there are 2 2-inch inlets to make plumbing it in easy. Plus, Triton offers a number of venting options including polypropylene, ABS, PVC, CPVC, and flex venting. These universal retrofit features make installations faster and frustration-free. With a design guided by plumbers and perfected by Rheem engineering, Triton is built for maximum efficiency, performance, and long life, shifting the industry from reactive to proactive water heater management.